this video, we will see how users can use Snowflake data in DataRobot to build machine learning models. Using data connections available in DataRobot, users can ingest data from Snowflake directly into DataRobot without the need for any external tools. This helps in reducing the turnaround times in machine learning projects. For this example, we will be using JDBC-based connectivity. Users can find the details for their connection parameters from the Snowflake documentation shown here. We have our JDBC parameters. We can connect to Snowflake from DataRobot using data connections. We can select data connections from here, add a new connection, select Snowflake, we can either give parameters individually or we can just specify a JDBC URL. First, we select the driver. Let's select the recommended one. Paste our JDBC URL. Add data connection. Now let us test the connection. Here, we have to give our Snowflake authentication. And it is now testing our connection. So it's successful. So let us go back to AI catalog and then pull in data from Snowflake. What we can do is select add to catalog and then existing data connection. Let's select Snowflake connection that we just created. We use our credentials that have been saved. Yeah, and we have all the schemas and the tables. Let us select a table. DataRobot is fetching the tables from, and now we can select table, proceed with registration. We are currently creating a snapshot, and it will be a static snapshot, but we can also create dynamic snapshots that can be scheduled. So here it is registering the table. Once the table is completely registered, you will be able to see the table from Snowflake in DataRobot. You can see that DataRobot has already created and is showing the sample data, and it has also done the exploratory data analysis initially. So data is available. Now you can just go and create a project.